is your massive living and the dining area. This is your kitchen area. Again, a spacious kitchen area. This is a massive bed area with ample of space over here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today we are here at Amoghya Adore It, a project developed by Amoghya Projects. And this project is located just bang opposite to Orion Uptown Mall on Old Madras Road in Kattamanallur, Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour. But before moving further, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project, and I'm standing on the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of your project. And once you enter, this is the land parcel and the marketing office is just behind me over here. We'll be getting all the information and details of the project. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project, and the project is spread across 2.42 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 residential towers with each tower of basement, ground plus 14 floors, offering you exclusive 3 BHK residencies. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you luxurious amenities like of clubhouse, swimming pool, jogging track, gym, yoga and meditation zone plus many more amenities. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located bang on Old Madras Road opposite to Orion Uptown Mall in Kattamanallur, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Old Madras Road and this is your Orion Uptown Mall, and this road will take you towards Avalahalli. And the opposite side road will connect you towards Hoskote. And this is our site and the marketing office of the project. Now, let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So, Orion Uptown Mall is just 2 minutes away from the project. You can connect to Vibgyor School in 5 minutes. Kadugodi Metro Station is 10 minutes and Swasthya Hospital you can connect in just 15 minutes from the location. So this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1803 square feet super built up area. Let's step inside your model apartment. So once you enter, let me show you the entrance which comes up with a digital door lock for your security purpose. And once you enter, this is your massive living and the dining area. Let's have a look at the living area. Here you can add up your TV unit, your sofa set, your couches. And now it has a connecting deck area. Yes, not just a balcony but a deck area. Because once you step inside, you can have a look. Here they have provided the anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, and this is the private garden area that will be provided over here with each apartment. You can have a look with iron railing, and this is a massive garden area with a deck area. Here you can add up your couch and a table as well. Now let's focus upon the dining area. So basically you can add up your dining table over here or else even over this side. And with the easy access right over here is your kitchen area. And this is your kitchen area. Again, a spacious kitchen area with the platforms. You can have a look, the cabinets as well. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area, and even there is a dry balcony that is a utility area which is attached over here. You can have a look. Here also they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So basically your master bedroom is on the other side and other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. So let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. This is your bedroom number 1. You can have a look at the space over here with a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, a massive wardrobe space right over here. And even you can add up a TV unit like this. Now about your next bedroom. So right over this side in front is your bedroom number 2. So once you enter, you can have a look. This bedroom is much more spacious as compared to bedroom number 1 with a huge bed space. And they have even added up this space over here, the work table, the wardrobe space over here, And the best part, it has a balcony as well. Right over here is a balcony which comes with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and it has an access towards your garden area as well. Now, once you step inside, right over here is your washroom, the private washroom area with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such samples like videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. So what all you need? Everything is here in Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now here's the master bedroom, but before that one thing is missing about the common washroom, which is right over there. Side. So right here is your common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. Here the shower area is divided via tile rope. And now about the master bedroom, which is right over here. So once you step inside, and the uniqueness starts from the flooring. This is not just a wooden finishing, this is pure wooden flooring over here. And this is a massive bed area with ample of space over here to move around inside the room, with a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose, the wardrobe space, TV unit space as well right over here, and the private attached washroom, the master washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here in Katamanallur location. Have you checked another project in Katamanallur? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.